So part of my renovation is doing my office, which I'm so excited about, but I have to move every single thing out of my office. So what I've started to do is I got at Office Depot some bankers boxes. They were on sale too, which was always a plus. And I am going to put all my files in here and put them in the storage unit. Of course, I will be labeling what is in each box. I am also taking my Alpha file cart because I can keep everything that I need for my office into the rental we're going to be in. And I will have all the important things right here. Everything, paper clips, stapler, binder clips. And it has 3 drawers. So of course, I'm also bringing this because I've been doing a lot of podcasts and I don't want it to get lost in the move. And that's what's essential. You want to have everything organized so that during the move, things are not getting lost that are essential that you really need. So if you are getting ready to renovate and the office is part of it, here are a couple really good tips. Get some bankers boxes and have a movable cart that you can take with you to keep you organized. I also love this cart, whether you're moving or not, or renovating or not. If you are in a small space, you can put it in a closet. There are so many ideas with this rolling file cart. So this is from the Container Store, but really these are some great tips if you're renovating your office.